Fast mold stain removers are recognized as lightning fast in terms of mold stain removal, especially compared to disinfectants of any type, peroxide-based cleaners, or any other product that may be considered for mold stain removal. The current perception is that On and Gone is somehow slower than the other two market leaders. We set out to see if there is a material difference in mold stain removal speed between Aramsco's proprietary brand, OmniPro On and Gone, MMR, and RMR 86. First up is On and Gone. We will watch the video for the full minute. To conduct a fair comparison, we chose to do this test in a single, large, high-pitch attic, applying each product to two sections of attic sheathing from the same attic. It was an equal challenge. Let's see the test in real time. At 60 seconds of time, we see an adequate removal of stains. Let's now take a look at MMR in the 0 to 60-second race to performance. Just a quick reminder that we tried hard to make a valid and fair test. This was all in one attic. We treated exactly the same side of the attic where mold contamination was all similar. We even used the same type of sprayer, with the same pressure for each product. And the products were all purchased from local distributors from existing inventory. This was a fair test. At 60 seconds of time, we see significant remaining staining. This will require a second application of MMR. Now for RMR 86 in the 0 to 60-second challenge. This test continues under the same controlled conditions as the previous tests. Application method, time, and coverage all remain consistent. The final results are evaluated solely on first-pass performance at 60 seconds. At 60 seconds of time, we see an adequate removal of mold stains. OmniPro On and Gone and RMR 86 performed the quickest and deepest cleaning of mold stains. Only MMR produced a partial clean on a first application and 60-second wait on one panel of attic sheathing. One can easily see that based upon a head-to-head 0 to 60-second stain removal race, OmniPro On and Gone outperformed MMR. OmniPro On and Gone has been reformulated and repackaged for highest performance and safest, most reliable handling. No fast mold stain remover outperforms OmniPro On and Gone. It is the only fast mold stain remover with a stable scent to knock out the heavy chlorine odor associated with this class of products, which means happier homeowners, causing less headache for contractors. OmniPro On and Gone is Aramsco's proprietary, high-margin, fast mold stain remover. You can recommend it to your customers with confidence.